Good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
Fine. Can I have your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your name?
Anvesh, ma'am.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Marpalligooda, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm very glad to introduce myself to you, ma'am.
Hmm.
I'm Anvesh. I'm from Marpalligooda. I'm currently staying in Hyderabad. I completed my graduation as a main stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Balaji Institute of Technology and Science,
Hmm.
with the aggregate percentage of 67%.
Hmm.
And coming to my technical skills, I have good knowledge on Java. Along with Java, I have good knowledge on SQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Coming to my hobbies, I'm playing cricket and listening music and drawing.
Okay.
And my strengths are I'm a hard worker and self-motivated. And my weaknesses are I'm not changing one project to another project, being doing one project. And my academic projects are prototype model of the uh, prototype model for the power system, and another one is the major project in my academics is a drone. Drone is nothing but the unmanned aerial vehicle, and it is used for the emergency situations, for long distances and critical situations in forest like that long distance. And coming to my family, I have a beautiful family with consisting of 4 members, including me and my brother. And my short-term goal is to get a job in reputed company like yours. And my long-term goal is to get I will become a project manager.
Okay. Can you explain your main project briefly?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, my main project is a unmanned aerial vehicle. That is nothing but the drone. The specialty of that my project is it will be if fall down at anywhere, but we can use some Arduino like that, and it will come back and safe fall in landing, safe fall on the earth, and some mans are not allowed into forest. Some areas is critical areas. We can use this and medical situations, emergency situation. We can use the drone and save the people and like this.
Okay. Um, that's fine. So you are a triple E student.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you choose IT sector? Why you want to do job in IT sector?
Yes, ma'am. But I have a interest in IT field, but I got the MCET rank as a long at that moment. But nobody suggests like me. Nobody suggested from IT side. That's why I take the seat in electrical, and after completion of that, I have interested on IT field. So doing I'm doing a coaching on Java.
Okay.
For become
So your hobbies are cricket, right? Who is your favorite cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
So why you choosing him? What he inspired you?
Because his aggressiveness on field and doing quick movements at the playing game, and choose, uh, choosing his ideas on field like umpiring. That's why.
Okay, that's fine. And listening to music, right? What kind of music you can listen?
All type of music, ma'am.
All types of music. Okay. And one more hobby is drawing.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what you will draw?
Anything, ma'am. Animation.
Different types of arts are there, right? So, which type of art is very interested for you?
Anime.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Rate yourself in Java out of 5. Out of 5, how much you will give?
3, ma'am.
3. Okay, so I will ask you some questions on Java. Are you comfortable with Java, or shall I ask you questions from other programming language?
Java.
Okay, that's fine. So what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM?
Yes, ma'am. Coming to definition, JDK is nothing but the Java development toolkit, and it is a software development kit for the using of application development in Java programming. And along with the JDK and JRE, some tools, it contains some additional tools, that is compiler and Java doc and debugging. And coming to JRE, JRE is nothing but the Java runtime environment. It is a software tool also, and it is nothing but the implementation of the JVM. And it have JRE have the class libraries, Java class libraries, and it is used for the implementation of the Java program for execution. And JVM is nothing but the Java virtual machine. It is used for the run the Java bytecode from where we can write the in Java programming. So it will implement the environment, runtime environment for executing the Java bytecode.
Okay.
And
Tell me.
and JDK is a platform dependent, and JRE is also platform dependent. Because of different platforms we can use the different JDK and JRE, but JVM is a platform independent. And JVM tools are the JDK tools are have the implement developing and compiling and
Okay, that's fine. What is the main difference between Java platform and other platforms? What is the main difference between them?
the platform is nothing but the hardware and software platforms. Java have the its own runtime environment, like JVM and JRE, which is converts Java code into machine code, and Java platform is a independent platform. Because of these characteristics, Java code we can write on one platform, and we can run and read in another platform, like that is Aura, and write once and read anywhere. And a Java developer can write program on any operating system, and can run the any other operating systems.
Okay. So empty.java file name is a valid source file name?
Yes, ma'am. That Java can save the name file as a .java file, because it take the empty also, and you can compile it by using the Java C .java. But if you can run the program, you can like Java class name we can take.
Okay. What if you write? Okay. Actually, if you are writing any main method means public static void main. If you write static public void instead of public static void.
Yes, ma'am, we can write the static public void instead of the public static void. There is no problem in that writing like this, and the program will be compile and run successfully, because the method name is comes last, and the return type of the method name comes last second. So there is no difference between the static public void and public static void.
Okay. What is the default value of the local variables?
Yes, the local variables is nothing but they are declared in methods and class static blocks and the constructors. And when the program flow is coming to methods and method blocks and the constructors, then the variables are created. And when the program flow is leaving the methods and static blocks and constructors, then the variables can be destroyed. There is a default value for the variables in the Java. That means they don't have the initial value, but we can choose the initially, and we can access the before for the first time variables, we can initialize and access the value for that.
Okay. What are the various access specifiers in Java?
Yeah, access specifiers is nothing but the access modifiers. So these are the keywords in Java, and there are four. With this is nothing but using of the uh, flow of fields and constructors and methods. Those are four types of access modifiers. They are public, private, and default, and public and private and default and protected. And first one, coming to private, this is accessed by using within the class, and it will not access from the outside of the class. And coming to default, this is accessed by using the within the package, not from the outside the package. If we do not give any modifier to the program, it will be taking as a default modifier. And coming to protected modifier, it will be accessed within the package and the outside of the package. And by using, if we access the outside of the package, we can use the child class. We can't use the child class. We cannot allow access the outside of the packages. And coming to public, it will be accessed anywhere within the class and without the class, and within package, without package.
What are the advantages of packages?
Packages is nothing but the collection of similar classes and interfaces and sub packages. And this is nothing but two types: built-in packages and user-defined packages. Built-in packages are IO package and util package and AWT package and JavaX, Sphinx and net package, SQL package, etc.
Okay.
And
Okay. Can we make the abstract methods as a static in Java?
no, ma'am, because abstract method is nothing but the without body is nothing but the abstract method.
Yes.
It will be have the signature of the signature and with the semicolon, and along with the abstract method, abstract keyword before it, and that is nothing but the public abstract my method. If you access the abstract method, you can use the inheritance
Okay.
from the child class. If you do not, but in a static method, there is no inherited by the subclasses. So in static abstract class, there is no abstract class is not a static.
Okay. Can we overload the constructor?
Yes, ma'am, overload. Because constructor overloading is nothing but like a function overloading, and the function overloading like a constructor overloading, but with different in a single class we have the multiple of constructors, but difference in the parameters, means parameters arguments, and the number of arguments and type.
Okay. Can we make a constructor as final?
No, ma'am, because constructor is nothing but we can't inherit from the child class subclasses, and final method is also like that, because it prevents the modification from the child class. So constructor does not allow the final class in Java. So the both are same method to prevent the inheritance from the subclasses.
Okay. So write a Java program for vector class. Okay. So vector is nothing but the one of the class and collections, right? So how we can insert the data, and how we are retrieving the data by using iterators. Okay, na? What is the purpose of iterator? Did you know?
Yes, ma'am. Iterator is iterating the class one by checking the one by one.
It will check the class or elements.
Elements.
Okay. Write down one program. string you have? Parallelly explain it. Parallelly explain it what you are writing in the program.
First, I'm taking the import class from the Java util package as a vector, and I'm taking the main method as a vector, and declaring the public static void main string args.
Okay.
And I'm creating the vector class here. Vector list as I'm taking the elements as in string.
Okay.
And this is the object for the vector.
Okay.
And I'm adding the elements to the vector object. And I'm printing the vector. I'm printing this vector like this, system.out.println. And if you want vector size, then we can take the object v dot size. Here the output is like this: apple and banana and cherry. And here the output is for the size vector is 3. And if you want to get any element from the which index value, you can give like v dot get and give the index position. I want give 2, and the output will be cherry. And if you want to add any element to this list, and v dot index position and element, and the output will be and if you want to remove any element from the vector, remove and give the index position, and the output will be apple and banana. And if you want to know the element,
So you are
content,
using remove method, right?
yes.
So based on the index position, can we remove or directly we can give the element?
Yeah, only index position.
Only index position. Can't we remove the element directly? Whatever the element name you are having, you are adding in the method, vector object. Okay, can I give that element directly into the remove method?
Yes, ma'am. That's
You said no? Okay, you are confusion. Okay, write up.
if that element contains, you can give the element name. If that list have contains this element, then it will the output will be shown in the boolean form. If it contains, it will show true, otherwise it will show false. If you know the index position of a element, then you print v dot index of, and then you will give the element, it will print the index value. If you want to clear all the elements from the list, you can use the clear method.
List, not vector.
From the vector class, you can give the v dot clear, and it will remove the all the elements. Empty vector will be showing, and if the vector is empty or not, you can know like this: v dot is empty. It will show the like a boolean form, true or false.
Okay. Have your seat. Okay. What are your salary expectations?
Being a freshers, salary is not my first priority, and I have a knowledge on theoretically, so I have proved my skills and knowledge in your company, and the salary package is depending on the company norms.
Okay. Why I need to hire you?
Because of I'm a fresher, I have a good knowledge on Java and SQL, HTML. So I want to prove myself and skills, improve my knowledge and skills. I need a platform. So you can give me opportunity. I will give you 100% effort to our company growth, and I will work at any time when company needs me.
Okay. So your technical round is completed. For further information, our HR will inform you. Okay.